This is going to be so much fun, I think, for all of you. Shopify deployed this fantastic change to all of us or all of our stores that is going to make image editing so much easier. I promise you guys, this is such a fantastic feature, and we potentially don't even need Canva in the future other than obviously making our custom changes. But check this out. This is something that was brought up in our community call today, where someone was asking if they used Placeit, which is a great software or a great platform where we can get product renderings. But Matt was saying he's using Shopify's own, and I just quickly wanted to show you how to actually do that yourself. So what we have is, if we go to our products and we have our products images, then a very common case is that we say we technically do like the product image, but we want to make some edits to it. We want to maybe let's remove the background, or let's change the background color. And to do that, before we had to go to Canva, we had to upload the images, we had to get the correct format and all of that. And now what we want to do is, once we have the perfect image, all we want to do is we open, and I do that again, we open by hovering over these. We get this little edit button, and when you press edit, we come to this edit view. It's the same where we also add the alt text if you've seen the video before. And now we have this enhance background button. It looks like a little bit like an image, should be at the very bottom of these icons. And when you click it, you're gonna see Shopify's doing some analyzing, and you can see it already perfectly captures the foreground and the background. And now we have multiple options. What we can do is we can remove the background. That's if we just wanna have or define our own color background by the theme. Or we can also go ahead and say, hey, actually change the color for me, and we can either pick our own custom color, how we always did before. You can do this via hex code. But what I love about this is Shopify is recommending dominant colors based on what it's seeing on the theme or on the product itself. So for example, this one, what a great tone. Obviously, if we are doing this, then we want to make sure that all the other products look similarly to this one. But as an example, I'm just going to use this. So this is one thing we can do. And then when you click done, this is our new product image. And you can see this is pretty much perfectly cut out. So this looks very professional, but it gets even better, because now when we click on this again, we have the color option. Obviously you can see here, we have the remove background, but we also have the scene option. And Shopify for this is using AI to do something amazing. It used to be much more complicated to do. And all we want to do is we want to describe the subject. So we're going to call this a plant in a pot. And we can now either describe the scene where we want to put this product into. So you can absolutely go nuts, like it says in the example. We can place this in a sunny park or in a grass or a bench. But we also have suggestions. We can say, I want this in a studio setting. I want this in a living room. I want this in a kitchen. Or view more. We can have this in a jungle, on the beach. So for now, let's say we're gonna do the kitchen. You then just select it. It's gonna write the prompt for us. And then whenever we have it, you can obviously modify it and say, I want a different style. I want a rustic kitchen, not a modern kitchen. And then whenever you're happy, you click generate. Now it's gonna do a little bit of processing, and you will be so surprised, because we know product images are one of the, if not the most important factor when selling our products, when obviously positioning our products that they're worth the amount that we're charging. And check this out. We now have a kitchen backdrop. It looks very professional. And obviously we can use anything. We can do studio. Let's generate a studio background. So if you're using photographers, if you're maybe even paying for expensive software, this is making it so much easier. Let's just give it another second, but we already see the preview. This is looking so professional. And we can even change the background color. Now we're using light gray. We can use any color there and get professional images. If we like it, we just click done. It's gonna autosave it for us. Or if we hate it, we just say reset. Let's not do that. And we can opt out, obviously, but I'm just gonna hit done. We close it, and we don't have the change here. So yeah, that's super exciting. I can't wait for you guys to play around with that. I'm excited to see what you came up with. Go nuts. Feel free to generate. Yeah, I'm excited to see what everyone's posting.